Hey guys, Aki here, back again. Today, this is a short video tour of my university, which is Macquarie University, located in the north part of the Sydney, starting from Haydenfield Avenue, which is the base of Faculty of Arts and is one of the artistic building of the university. There are 4 different parking zones: green, blue, yellow and pink. You can either buy a one-time ticket from the parking stand, or you can download the Cello app application if you're willing to park regularly. Allow this app to use your location and register your car number. This allows the ranger to get to know that you have turned on your parking and also locate your vehicle if your vehicle is lost. Next is the university library, which is a 4-floor building. Usually level 1 and level 2 are open till 10 o'clock, and level 3 and level 4, which are the postgraduate level, they are open till 1 am. And it also has a library cafe, which is open till 8 or 9 o'clock in the night, and in the exam days it's open till 12 o'clock midnight. You might come to know that your lecture theatre is an XYZ number of volleys walk. So this university has 31 volleys walk, which is also called the lecture theatres. And there are also other building names called Christopher Avenue, Muse or Second Way. I have attached the university map for your reference, and also there is a Lost on Campus application which is only specifically for your universities in Australia. You'll get the map references, lecture theatres, etc. etc. The Student Connect building is the Muse building, where you can do your group meetings or discussions. This is a great place to meet up and catch up with your friends and chill, or do stuff like assignments and all. At last, this building is Macquarie University Aquatic Centre and the gym, where the membership fees is only $29 fortnightly, which means $29 for 2 weeks, and you get free sessions for Zumba, yoga classes, squash and other stuff. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you're planning to come for studies in Australia or Sydney, then do check out my other videos related to accommodation, buying a car in Sydney, how to save money as an international student, etc. etc. Thanks a lot and have a good one.